What is going on? Snyder Cards here today. We've got the newly released 2022-23 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey Hobby Box here. Let's get into it. So, oh no. Of course, we know, this is a very sought-after product, flagship, obviously. Definitely watered down. And let's get into it. A few new changes compared to last year's Series 2. Last year's Series 2 I really liked. It's a pretty good rookie crop. There's some good players I collect in there. So it's going to be hard to match. First Young Guns. Hunter Drew. Okay. Hunter Drew Young Guns. Nothing special. So, yeah, it's hard to beat last year's Series 2 with the rookie crop and just the players that I like. So I'll definitely probably say I more enjoy opening last year's, but still. Few changes. Obviously, OPG updates. Those are gone, which is honestly a good thing. They're kind of lame. They should have made them more rare or something. So we got a superstar, a rookie, Jack Quinn. So yeah, I mean, if the OPG things, instead of making like 6 to 10 of them in a box, maybe make like 3 or 4. Put them in Young Guns. Michael Carcone. Not a great one. Rookie crop. Obviously, the values of the Young Guns right now are higher because it just came out, but got Shane Wright, Juraj Slafkovsky, got Jake Sanderson, Wyatt Johnson. Oh, and we got a lunchbox here. This is a new insert. Even from Series 1. Oh, it's Clayton Keller. Lunchbox Legends, Clayton Keller. So that's just a pretty basic insert. What is this? Oh, World Junior Grads, Miro Heiskanen. The odds are not great for most of these inserts. Also, rookie materials. Those are much harder to hit. Travis Konechny, UD Canvas. Yeah, the rookie materials, way harder to hit. They used to be every other box. Now it's every 1 in 6 boxes. Andrei Svechnikov, Canvas. No, we're not. We're just getting close to halfway. No good Young Guns. Welcome to. This one's the Columbus version. So those are like 1 in 15. I looked it up real quick. Most of all those inserts are basic, but then there's gold that are the gold ones. So like most of them are 1 in 96 packs. Another welcome to. We got Pittsburgh. That'd be an interesting set to collect, but like not that intriguing. So yeah, honestly, I mean, a rookie material would be good. I wouldn't mind one of those. But I just hope that wouldn't be considered a big hit. Oh, there we go. Lindholm Canvas. Yeah, so basically all these like... Ooh! Not a great name, but John Lizotte, Clear Cut Young Guns. I mean, okay. I was not expecting that. These are tough to pull. These are a case hit. Cool. I have actually no blatant reaction. They're hard to hit. Not a great name though. Okay. I mean, that's cool. That probably is considered a hit of the box, which isn't great. Whew, that's tough, but that's all right. It's a cool hit. Honestly, no reaction. I don't know why I had no reaction there. It's just like I didn't see it coming. Ooh, population count here. This is the 500, so I think this is a second or whatever. Mark McLaughlin. I believe this is the second common one here. I'm pretty sure. I don't get that. It's like they're trying to mimic a graded card. Now we're halfway. Yeah, I don't get that. Like, they're not numbered, but like Young Guns, Jacob Lacko. Yeah, and like probably wait a couple months. This box is probably around $100, honestly. Instant Impressions, Milan Lucic. That is such a bland design there. Instant Impressions. Milan Lucic, okay. Another thing about this, I love that they've pivoted back to the ridges on top of the packs. I mean, that's not very... Oh, that's a good one. Juraj Slafkovsky, Young Guns. That is a good one. Sweet. #1 overall pick. The last year's draft. Injured for most of the season, not playing again until next year. There is some damage up there. I don't like that, but I'll take it. I mean, I don't know what else to expect from this box. A French variant? How about that? Mikko Rantanen and French variant. French, kind of lame now. All right. William Karlsson canvas. Young Guns. Michael Asimont. Nothing crazy. Portrait, rookie portrait, Jake Sanderson. So yeah, portraits are now rookie portraits in Series 2 only. All the veteran portraits are in Series 1. Brandon Tracy, portrait rookie. Oh, here's our Dazzler. Cole Kokby. Dazzler, that's a rookie one, so that's all right. Interesting. It's a blue, so nothing crazy. Another World Junior grads. Like, maybe put them in the World Junior picture or uniform. Philip Forsberg. Like, almost everyone that plays in the NHL played in the World Junior. Probably 80% did. Or, that's a push. Maybe 60% did. Young Guns, Philip Hollander, Leafs legend. And I think that does it for our Young Guns. Final pack. We'll build some suspense. Okay. Oh, crap. It's just a superstar. Jacob Galvez. Superstar. Slafkovsky, good Young Guns, though. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. And I will see you next week. Peace.